I made a simple little mock-up of the differential, the spool underneath the desk, which has two different diameters, and I just wrapped thread around it. It's just a dowel that I turned a couple different diameters, and wrapped some cord around, and I measured the length of the cord on either end. So what happens is that as one winds on, the other winds off. Actually, in the operation of the desk slide, it's going to be the other way. So what's going to happen is that the smaller diameter cord is attached to the weight. The cord around the smaller diameter of the spool is attached to the weight, and as the weight drops, it winds the other end on. But the interesting thing is that as that winds off, the distance it travels is less than the distance that is wound on. The way I measured it in this case was that if the cord on the smaller diameter moved 11 inches, the cord wraps around the bigger diameter, and it actually wraps on 16 inches. So that's quite a differential. That's 5 inches of difference in the length of the cord. Which is more than enough actually, but the point is that the weight does not have to drop as far as if it was a one-to-one relationship. The cord travels proportionally less distance, so the weight doesn't have to drop as far to get the same motion of the desk slide. So it's saving vertical space in the back of the desk for the weight. Doesn't have to drop as far.